Hello, this is another segment on going over some of the legal terms and explaining to you what they mean. So what is an uncontested divorce? An uncontested divorce is one where both spouses agree to everything. You could have kids and still have an uncontested divorce. What's most important is that everything that's been agreed to, that needs to be agreed to, whether that be equitable distribution on how the court's going to divide assets and liabilities, or how you're going to spend time with your kids. If that's an agreement, then you have an uncontested divorce. It's important to know that though, because the process is a lot faster than it would be if it was a contested divorce. You could bypass and not have to go to mediation. And I mean, it's just a lot faster that way. Everything could be filed together. You can file the petition, which is required, and you could file the answer, which is agreeing to everything to the petition. You could file that all together and then request a court for a final hearing. There is also a difference between an uncontested divorce and a simplified dissolution of marriage. With a simplified dissolution of marriage, there are certain classifications that you have to fall under, but the main distinction that I see, because literally both of them, it's either simplified in the sense that you've agreed to everything, just like an uncontested, but in simplified you're bringing the action together, so that requires both parties to be present at the time of the final hearing. And what if one party doesn't want to go? If that's the case and file for uncontested, court doesn't really require both of you to go, unless there's an issue, and in this case you have agreement, so there is no issue. Now, specifically with the COVID of what's going on, a lot of courts are divorcing people without having a final hearing. So yeah, if you can do an uncontested divorce, it's probably the best one, just because it doesn't require both parties to be there, and it's really just a matter of coming into an agreement. Or if there's nothing to divide, then just, who's going to take it for the team and go to court if they have to? That will be the petitioner. The respondent would not have to do anything, just file an answer waiving their presence at the final hearing, and please give me a copy of the final judgment once it's entered into. That's it. So if you have any questions on legal terms, divorces, contracts, whatever it may be, please let us know. We're here to help you out, and we're actually developing content based on the questions that you have. So please send them over. We're here to answer them. Thanks.